So for question 15, we found the answer by taking 7 5/10 times 70 times 5, dividing that by our 250, and we get 10.5, which is our answer in mLs. In example 16, we're going to start with our order, 15 milligrams per kilogram. Our patient weighs 80 kilograms, so we put that over 1. Our kilograms cancel. 15 times 80 gives us 1200 milligrams. In example 17, we start with 2 milligrams per pound. That's our order, 2 milligrams per pound. Our patient weighs 90 pounds, and the strength is 5 mLs per 50 milligrams. So I canceled out my zeros. I'm just going to multiply straight across here. So I'm going to go 2 times 90 times 5 divided by 50 gives me 18 mLs. Here we have 6 milligrams per kilogram. The patient weighs 154 pounds. 154 pounds divided by 2.2, 70 kilograms. The strength is 100 milligrams in every 5 mLs. So I take 6 times 70 times 5 divided by 100, and I get 21 mLs. So here we're finding the BSA. Our answer is going to be an m squared. We have to put this all in inches. So I take 5 times 12, because there's 12 inches in a foot, plus my 6 to get 66. My weight in pounds divided by 31. So I'm taking 168 times 66 divided by 31, and then I'm going to hit my second square root and second answer. So whatever answer is right in front of it, it's going to put here in this under the radical sign. So my answer would be 1.88 if I rounded to 2 decimal places, and that would be an m squared. This is in centimeters, so we're using the other formula. So we're taking 183 centimeters times 92 kilograms divided by 3600. Take the square root of that. And again, I'm taking 183 times 92, dividing that by 3600, and taking the square root of that number. That didn't work out. 183 times 92 divided by 3600, square root of my answer. There we go. I'm going to round that to 2.16. And my units is m squared. So here we're looking at 40 milligrams of medication for every m squared. Now we don't know how many m squareds, so we have to compute that. We're given kilograms and centimeters, so I'll do that calculation over here. So I know I'm going to take 150 times 88 divided by 3600 and take the square root of that. $150 times 88 divided by 3600 and take the square root of that answer. So I have 1.91 m squared over 1. My m squareds cancel out. It's asking for how many milligrams. So my answer is going to be in milligrams, and all I do is I take 40 times 1.91. 76.4. Here we have 30 milligrams per m square ordered. The patient weight, or the m squared of the patient, 1.65 m squared over 1. So this patient would require 49.5 milligrams or 49.5 milligrams of medication. As we can see, the safe range is only from 20 to 40. 49.5 is above the 40, so this is not in the safe range. Alrighty, here we're looking at 10 milligrams per m squared times 1 tablet has 15 milligrams, and their body surface area is 1/4900. So we're looking at how many tablets. So our answer will be in tablets. So I take 10 times, divide that by 15, and since it's in tablets, I'm rounding my 0.99 up to 1 tablet. Last page, here we're starting at 3 3/10 milligrams per day, per m squared, times the patient's m squared is 2.29 over 1. The strength is each tablet has 5 milligrams. So I'm going to take, just multiplying straight across. And since they're scored tablets, I can say my answer is 1.5 tablets. Down here we're looking at 250 micrograms as my order, and that's per day. Each ml has 500. Has 0.5 milligrams. We're going from milligrams to micrograms, so I'm moving my decimal this way. 1, 2, 3. So it would be 50 micrograms. And then we want to know how many teaspoons. 1 teaspoon, 5 mLs. Micrograms, mLs, teaspoons per day. So it looks like I would have 250 over 250, which is 1 teaspoon. Here I have 0.32 grams. I want to make that into milligrams because my strength is in milligrams, so I'm going to move that over 3 places, which gives me 320 milligrams is my order. My strength is 320, oh dear Lord, 320 milligrams per tab. So I have 1 tab. Here my order is for 75 milligrams. I have 125 milligrams in 5 mLs. So my answer would be 3 ml.